Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last two video we have seen the mounting phase of a class component lifecycle. Then we have seen the update phase of class component lifecycle, and in this video we are going to see unmount phase. That is the last phase in which we have only one method, that is component will unmount. Means before unmounting the component, this method execute component will unmount. So how we can do this? So we see, so for that I need one more component, and here I create a component called toggle. You can say component toggle name dot .jsx. So we have toggle here. Now I am import it, and I say cc to import this, and here I just give the name to toggle name. Same I need to copy and paste here also, save it. Now here in this state I create a one variable, and that is called toggle, and I put it true. Now here in this render method I create dev tag, and here what I say that if we have this dot state dot toggle equal to true, then we need to mount this component called change name. You see, that component I want to mount. Otherwise I want to display here that h2 and h2 as a render, and I say removed component. Okay, so then I save it, and in index in place of this I say toggle name, and here I just change the name to toggle, and here I change name to toggle. Save this, and we have the error toggle. We have toggle name, here expecting comma. So I see here in toggle name dev, okay, we have here the comma. Save this, and we try to see the output here. Just we have this one running perfectly. Now here in toggle, what I do, I need a button. So for button, here I will also use a style. So I copy this style from here to put the text into the center of the screen. So I say dev tag like this, and here after this I just make one button, and here I say remove, or I say toggle component, and here I click on click event, and in this event I say this dot toggle component, and here I create this function event handler toggle component equal to, we have a arrow method, and here I say this dot state dot this dot set state, and here I will update toggle information to false like this. I save it. So false, save this. Now you see button we have, and I remove all these states. So first of all I refresh it. So on refreshment I see we have, you see we have a 4 method here: constructor, get drive state from props, then render, then component did mount. I just remove this and click on update method. We see we have these 5 methods: get drive state from props, then we have should component update, then we have render, then we have get snapshot before update, then we have component did mount. Now after this what we have, just I remove it and I click here toggle, means I want to remove this component here. So after this it will remove, and this will call a one method, that is component will unmount. So I have to override this method here, this component will unmount, and in this I will call console.log and I say inside component will unmount. Save this, and now you see the proper life cycle. So again refresh it, remove this, and I say toggle. You see inside component will unmount function is called. So again I just remove this and I say toggle here. So it is doing false every time, so I need to make it true also. So what I do, I make it conditionally. So I go to toggle button and here I say that I check it here. Here I do this dot state dot toggle equal to true, then we have to return false, then I say return false, else we say false, else we say true. And here I have a const variable, thus I say check, and here I pass check. You see, now we try to check it again. So refresh it, remove this. So I say remove, I say again come back. You see, remove, come back. So first of all just I refresh, I just remove it. So you see component will unmount is called, then remove this, then I say toggle. Again we see we have a all the function calling. You see constructor is calling because this component is mounting again, then get drive state from is calling, render is calling, then component did mount is calling. You see component did mount is calling, then component will unmount is before unmounting, this is also calling, and component did mount, again the component is mount here. So remove this, toggle one function, remove this, toggle true. You see again this is the cycle to unmount, mount and update phases of the class component. You see everything is live in front of you, so you can judge how we test all these life cycles. We have tested the mount phase, update phase and the unmount phase of class components. That's all in this video. If you like this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.